Hello everyone, this is Aurelia at Aurelia's Crafting Ideas. I took a quick trip to my Hobby Lobby store this week and let me show you what I picked up. So Hobby Lobby has their Christmas items at 90% off this week. So yeah, I had to make a quick trip and I did pick up a few items. I'm very excited, 90% off. So I picked up these glitter faux mini bows. You get 45 bows in here. And I paid I paid 35 cents for this. Amazing. I also picked these poinsettias up. And you get 12 poinsettias. And I paid 40 cents for this one. I also picked up these poinsettias, and then these are the glittered ones. And you get 9 in here, and I paid 50 cents. I also picked these charms up, they're necklaces. It has the reindeer in there. It has a tree and snow. Look at that. How cute. Absolutely adorable. I picked up 4 of these for 80 cents each. I also picked up some gemstones, 4 of them, and they are 8mm gems in red, green, and clear. Look at that. It's on a 6-inch strip, and I paid 30 cents each for the 4 of them. And while I was picking up those gems, I found these too. These are flat backs, and you get 24 pieces in here, and they are 3.75 inch, and I paid 30 cents for these. Of course, I picked up 4 of these. Look at this. They're like faceted gem pieces. I don't know if you can tell, but can see it's got like all sorts of dimensions. Now usually you just find the dome ones. These actually have cut sections in them. Look at that. Adorable. I like those. And yeah, I'm quite happy I found those. I was quite happy to find lots of stuff. I mean, I really did not need more, but these I just could not pass up, so I went ahead and picked these up. At 90% off, it was a fantastic deal. Besides all the Christmas items being at 90% off, they are starting to mark down their home decor. Like all the wall decor items are going to 75% off. So if your store has not started yet, that's coming very soon. So take a look, and hopefully your store is already marking stuff down to 75% off. I also visited the Valentine aisle. Now Valentine items are at 40% off. I found the cutest hearts. You get 45 pieces in here, and they are 0.51 times 0.051 inch. It was $1.99 regular price, and I paid $1.19. And what these are conversation hearts on little wood pieces. Look at this. How cute is it? That one says too cute. Only you. XO. True love. Love. Love you. Wait, hold on. You rock. Kiss me. Cutie pie. Let's see, what else is there? Oh, here's another one. So sweet. I love conversation hearts, so I'm quite happy I found these. For some reason, I did not see these last year. They may have had it, I just didn't see them. Oh, here's another one. Hug me. So it looks like for each color you get 2 sayings. There must be another purple one. Here we go. Look at that. You and me. Aren't they the cutest little things ever? Oh, goodness. So I picked up 2 of these. I will make some fantastic projects from these. Adorableness. So while I was picking these up, I also saw these. Now these are sequin hearts. You get a 1.5 ounce of sequin hearts. The regular price was $1.99 and I paid $1.18. And let me open this. So all these hearts say love. Look at that. It's got, ooh, it's got iridescent hearts and you got red hearts. They're embossed with the word love. Isn't that gorgeous? Love it. I picked up 1 bag. If you are interested, Hobby Lobby also has another sequin in that you might be interested. It is the red open hearts. And they're very cute. I already have a bag, so I did not need another one. They're all very cute. Well, I will definitely be using these hearts very soon. Move that aside. I also went down the his and her aisle, and they are at 40% off right now. So this tool is 6 inches by 40 yards. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? I love the color. So the store that I visited had a sample of a bow that they made out of tulle, and it looked absolutely gorgeous. So I want to try my best at recreating that bow. Yeah, wish me luck. I hope it comes out stunning. And the last item I picked up is this. This is a Silly Winks foam sheet. It is 12 by 18 inches by 5 millimeter thick. Look at that. And it comes in white and black. And it was $1.49. And I needed a new stamp helper. This is why I picked up. I mean, I have a foam sheet now, but my sheet is really large, so I bought this one so I can go ahead and cut a smaller padding. So that was my reason for picking this one up. That is my Hobby Lobby haul for this week. You know, Christmas and 90% off items and Valentine items and tulle from the his and her aisle. And yeah, it was a wonderful trip today. I'm glad I did decide to stop by. Oh, I love these new gems. They're so cute. Why did I never notice this before? You know? I'm sure Hobby Lobby's carried this for many years now, and I never paid attention to it, at least until now that it was 90% off. So the store I visited had a lot of these gems in, and I mean, they had like hundreds of this one in, but I only picked out 4. I will probably go back at the end of the week and see if there's any left. If there are, then I will probably pick up some more. But how gorgeous is that? I love it. Thank you for stopping by. This is Aurelia, at Aurelia's Crafting Ideas, and I will see you next time.